posted one quiz website. Okay. Still, I have not initiated to run that game. Okay. So today's after today's class over. Okay. By next class. Okay. Next class, we have it. Okay. Even if you go get inside, you're not able to do that one. Okay. So I will initiate that process so that you can do the quiz process. Okay. And also in today's class, what content I am taking, okay, that application, real application, you have to do it as an assignment. Okay, so within, uh, so today's date is 17. Okay, so by the last working day, on or before the last working day, please upload your assignment. It is a very simple assignment, so don't put that much effort. You can take any type of propagations, and you can have a 1 or 2 page write up with that is a good picture, uh, and you can submit as an assignment too by mentioning your name and register number in GCR. I will provide the link. Okay. Students, can you able to see my screen? Can you able to see my screen? Is it visible in your side, the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So in today's session, we're going to study the topic called radio wave propagation. Okay, radio wave propagation and different modes. So from the word radio wave, what you have understood? Till now we have deal with the antenna like that only we have dealt. So in the last unit we have come up with the word called radio. So nowadays we have forgot the radio. So in olden days, okay, there is no televisions, only radio system alone there. Okay, so if ask with your grandpa or that is grandpa, okay, so then they will tell about the history of how they have utilized for the entertainment. Okay, only the radio systems available with the only audio effect. There is no video effect also. So this radio, why the radio here we are deals with. So the word radio deals with the some sort of signal. Okay, some sort of signal. It may be the analog or it may be a digital. Okay, on some form of analog or some form of a digital. And you everyone aware about the word called wave. Okay, so as a electronic and communication engineer, you will tell wave is nothing but some signals. Okay, some signals, or it may be some audio, or some it may be a video, or it may be a text or image, etc., etc. So then, what is meant by a radio wave? Radio wave is nothing but something radio frequency signal has been um flowing through the free air. Okay, even in your home, inside home, we are using a lot of electronic gadgets. So nowadays we are using the smart TV. Okay, previously only we are used CRT type of TV. Nowadays we are using smart TV. So in that also the Wi-Fi system is available. We are connecting with our mobile phone and we are getting using all type of advanced applications like Netflix mm, and then Amazon and then we are using so and so many things are available. So for when you operate with internet, okay, all sort of electromagnetic radiations is coming inside to your home also, but all with the licensed frequency, so it is not harmful to the human human being. But in our handheld device like mobile phone or walkie-talkie, etc., etc. When we routinely using the device near to our human, they have some sort of hazardness. Okay, so due to the frequency, operating frequency, some radiation is affecting to the device. That radiation may interface with our body, uh, maybe near to the brain or near to the heart or near to the gastro, etc., etc. So it leads to some sort of effect. Okay, so if you do in research in antenna, you may see the term called SAR, specific absorption rate. So even if you get, you may see this parameter in your mobile phone also. If you open the device, you can find SAR, like this SAR, and they have given some values. Okay, some values. So for each communicating device, they have some value of this thing. It should be minimized. Then only that operating spectrum will not affect us. Okay, it is a one huge waveform that will affect our human body. That is anatomy of the system. Okay, let me go with the introductory part. In radio communication system, use wireless electromagnetic wave as a channel. So what it means? So in electromagnetic channel means usually the free space. There is no contact between any antenna system. Now also we are using this virtually we are having a class. Whether I have directly connected with you? No. So I am in one place in Karunya, Coimbatore. You peoples are in different location, but you may get my signal in delayed. That may have, but anyway we are getting the signal without my direct contact. Okay, so only thing is that we are connecting through that particular link, and we are getting linked into that group, and we have this type of technical sessions. Correct. So this is also the sort of communication through the radio wave. Okay, radio wave. So, but as a technology, we are telling it as the IoT, Internet of Things. But if you see in terms of communication, through antenna system it is connected. Even then, net plays the major role. Okay, they have some hub system. In hub system, some antennas will be there that should be connected to that base station. That base station has even HT, that is server client platform is there. Okay, it may have at the entity side level, you may have some some transducers will be there. Okay, so in the mode of the electromagnetic wave in the real atmosphere, what are all the categories are there? One is the line of sight. So what is line of sight? So if my frequency and your frequencies get matches, then the signal is directly connected to you. If in any one of the place, suppose in our class there is totally 50 students are there. Okay, 50 students are there. So I am the host. I am giving a regular conversation. So this can be listened by everyone. correct? It is listened by everyone. So then, all everyone getting my signal or not, sometime due to discrepancies of the bandwidth, network bandwidth. So some may in between itself cut. Okay, some due to the low speed of the internet. Okay, they also it may cut. Like some and then traffic congestion. Due to that also some that person will get cut. So this also happen in this type of communication. When my frequency and your frequency is well matched, then the proper line of sight will be there. Okay, that is called as the line of sight propagation. So what is ground wave and sky wave propagation? Ground wave propagation is now currently what we are doing. So we are below to the troposphere. Okay. In geography, in 12th standard, you may study the different types of layers in the from bottom to the top ionosphere layer. Okay, so we are into the ground wave. So in ground wave, how the propagation has been carried out. So suppose the cricket is going on in one place, but everyone we are seeing it in the television. Okay, in television. Even we are getting it delayed or some distortion is there, but we are getting the information quickly through the satellite. So from ground wave propagation, it will be linked with the ionosphere in sky wave, and it will be directly connected to the other end of the ground wave propagation. So it will be like this. So suppose a person is here. Okay, suppose a person is there, is throwing a stone. So how it should go? It will go at top and it will become down. Okay, so like this only the signaling effect also goes up. Okay, it is uplinked and it will come down. Okay, so the stone will come down. So in same manner only the signal also comes up and comes down. Okay, so then what is meant by the extremely low frequency and very low frequency? Extremely low frequency is that below to that threshold, whichever frequency you may see in the olden radio, you may have you may rotate that knob means it will move and you can fix that frequency. So minimum maybe below to the megahertz. Okay, below to the megahertz is the kilohertz. So kilohertz signal also will come. Below to the kilohertz also come, like only hertz. Okay, so that has nothing but extremely low frequency. Very low frequency comes in. That is in megahertz. Okay, so in ionos, that is Earth and ionosphere act as the waveguide for electromagnetic wave and propagation. So what it means is that usually in optical fiber, okay, usually in optical fiber, how did the signal go? Suppose this is your optical fiber, the signal will transmit inside the optical fiber. So this is captured as the waveguide. Similarly, here the ground wave. So this is your ground and this is your sky. So this between this layer only act as your waveguide. That one only. That only. Okay, so this is your line of sight. You can see how the line of sight on the earth. Earth is not the perfect flat portion. It is look like a circular or ellipse. Okay, circular or ellipse. So here it should be a transmit. Okay, so for example, this is the tower at the Coimbatore. Okay, Coimbatore, Karunya Nagar. So this is the tower at the some Hyderabad. So then how it is directly connected? It's not possible. It is that much huge distance between Coimbatore and the Hyderabad. Okay, so the towers cannot be directly linked with this other tower. Okay, it will be directly linked with the satellite system. Okay, it will be directly linked with the satellite system, and it will be comes to the other end. So in this way only the line of sight propagations has been carried out. Okay, some uplink and downlink process will be there. You can see the ground wave propagation, how the road waves are there. Please see, sometimes the roads may be flattened, whereas in the slopey or else something like corrugated surface may be there. Okay, it will be like a dig. Okay, so in this place also we are please consider the remote areas. In remote areas also we have to get the signaling proper, but in reality in remote areas the signal is weak only. Okay, some ups and downs will be there in the propagation of the signal in the ground wave propagation. So this is your sky wave propagation. You can see how the sky wave is going from the transmitter which is available in the ground level. It is linked with the ionosphere with the multi-hopping. Okay, with multi-hopping. So there have some interference, some fading. Okay, everything will be available. But even then, nowadays all researchers are doing to get well output, a well defined output. Okay, so this has been improved in this case. Okay, so this is nothing but your skyway fiction. Okay, so under the skyway propagation, you can see the word called refractive index. So what is meant by the refractive index is that, okay, so sometimes the signal may touch on the surface of your ionosphere. Consider this is your ionosphere region, ionized region. Yeah, you can see the ionized region and line is here. Some may penetrate inside and it may like this. So this may leads to some refractive index of the medium. So consider this is your medium one and the medium two. Okay, so the refractive index level may be vary for each category. Okay, so but that is not that much but you can know what are all the different types of layers will be there between the medium one and the medium two. Okay, so that you may see later, but in our syllabus it is not needed. Okay, just you know that how the propagation has been made in these layer like ground wave and then sky wave propagation. Okay, so I hope the three propagations I have delivered. So you can take any one of the propagation. Okay, you can take any one of the propagation, either the line of sight propagation or ground wave propagation or sky wave propagation. Okay, and take any one reality applications. Okay, reality applications, and prepare your assignment to and upload in the GCR. Okay, I hope you have understood what I tell. If you have any sort of questions or any doubts, you can call me or you can text me in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, so I hope I have completed the last topic. Okay, so this one also I will upload in the GCR. Okay, so if you have any discrepancies or any doubt, you can ask after the attendance. So now I will call up for the attendance, and then we have one more class on 20th. Okay, so please go through the content. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can ask at that time. And also, I will share some more links for practicing the quiz. And from our PPTs, 45 lecture PPT is there. Okay, and then you have completed your three internal exams. Okay, I hope you may have those questions. Okay, so you, and then you may know how the question pattern address. Okay, so mostly from our PPTs only, not beyond or external book. Okay, mostly from our PPTs. So very all the best for the end semester examination. Please do well and secure more marks. Thank you, students. I will call up the register number.